Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to find trending videos on YouTube. Why would you want to know how to find trending videos on YouTube? Well, maybe it is your first time using YouTube and not sure how to find trending videos on YouTube. So today I am going to show you how to find trending videos on YouTube. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Finding trending videos on YouTube is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write youtube.com in search bar. Now you are seeing three lines in top left section. Click on it. Scroll down. Here you are seeing trending videos. Click on it. Now these are the trending videos of the week. There you go. If you wanted to know how to find trending videos on YouTube, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.